Today in Art of the Face, we are going to talk about lip liner and lip color. So lips frame the face. They deserve a little bit of softness, not stiffness. Many women, as they mature like me, we lose the volume in our lips. So we don't want a Kardashian look, but we do want to have a little bit of a fuller look. And I'm going to show you that today. So I'm going to take a pencil. This one is called Toasted, and I'm going to take the pencil just inside the natural lip line. So I'm going to look in the mirror, starting at the peak, going down, but I don't want to go all the way down because my mouth already drags down. So by applying a lip liner all the way down to the corner, it will accentuate the downward look of my lips. So when applying, stop in the center. Go right just inside that natural lip line. Stop. Can you tell the difference already? And then on the bottom lip, same thing. You don't want to go all the way up. Go underneath. And then blend. We want to blend upward towards the lip itself because we don't want any harsh lines. Fix where needed. There you go. Now we're going to use a lip color. Use a color that will complement your skin tone. So you can take a finger or you can use a brush and tap on just in the center of your lips. Remember, don't take it all the way over. It's just going to age your mouth even more. By tapping on, you're giving a blurred look and not so harsh. You can add gloss in the center if you desire. That will give your lips more of a pouty look. I hope this lesson on lining your lips and applying a lip color helps. Join me on my next lesson where I will be talking about cheek colors. And remember, here, makeup is never rushed and never about fixing. It's about honoring your face, taught with a little bit of grace. I look forward to seeing you on the next lesson. Thank you for being here.